Use this plugin to send email with an OTP to log in or register. You can also verify users without login into their account, or serve Prime facilities to visitors without account on your website. This is very fast, friendly, smart, smooth, and secured. Perfect for WooCommerce, e-commerce, and other types of websites with proper help, tutorials, and support. Capable to serve user management features alone, and also compatible with many user management plugins. The facilities of this plugin will put your website far ahead of everyone else. Install it and use its features to check out the effects.